Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. Mwah. So today I have a new palette for you guys. Like, oh my gosh, I literally bought this palette for one color or one thing, and this is it. It is this star like diamond. I don't even know how to describe it. I just know it's so gorgeous. But let us jump into this because I am so excited to share this with you guys. Now y'all know that the first thing I do is my brows. So while I'm carving out my brow, I'm just gonna talk for a bit. So I got this palette definitely for one single eyeshadow. After just going on the company's website and I went through everything, I'm like, I'm not really interested in anything. And then I saw that shadow and I was like, okay, I want that. I don't care, I want it. And so I got it. But not only that, I also got the P.Louise Base. Guys, I know I've never spoken about the P.Louise Base, but I've been obsessing over it for forever now, and I finally got it. Customs really slashed the package, so the package is not so cute. I'm a bit mad about that, but I'll talk about that when I'm doing the full review for the P.Louise product. I only got one package. I'm gonna get some more later because I accidentally ordered two different packages. I know, it's crazy, but whatever. Anyways, so working with this base is really nice. I'm going to be doing a more detailed tutorial about this, but I like working with this base. I did watch a couple reviews and I thought it was going to be thick and hard to work with, but surprisingly it was not. It was very, I'm going to say easy, but that's not the word. It was okay. I felt good working with it. So in applying this base, I saw that you should pat it on and not swipe it, so that's what I did. After patting it on, I got this brush that I think I've seen other people use it before to tap in the base, and I was in love with this brush for tapping in the base. I honestly stopped using my sponge right now, and I'm going to be using this brush. It is so amazing. I love it. Honest, it just gets in the right spot and get everything tapped in. Alright, so the moment of truth, you guys. So I'm going to start off with this deep blue, and I'm going to be packing that into the crease and a bit onto the lid, and I'm going to be building the color up. I will also be going back and forth with a tapping and swiping motion. So I'm going to be tapping or packing the product onto the lid, and then afterwards I'm going to be doing a slight swiping motion to get it blended in. So I'm grabbing some of that setting powder that's from the Sasha Buttercup, and I'm just setting up to the brow bone so that I can get the colors to evenly blend together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. For this part, I messed up a bit. First of all, please do not follow this method. If you're doing this, please do not follow this method. One, I should have just went ahead and cut the crease with the white P.Louise base, but I totally didn't because I slightly forgot. And after cutting the crease with the other one, two, I messed up again. Instead of cleaning off that lid, I went in and cut the crease with the white again, which was something I should have never done. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how much this looks so messy. Alright, so I am now going in to that green shimmery looking color, and I am so amazed at how beautiful this is, guys. I'm not even like exaggerating. It is so pretty, like, oh my gosh. Anyways, so I'm packing that onto the lid, and now I'm gonna be going in with the darker blue that I used before. I'm gonna be using that on the outer corner to do a nice full blend. I'm also gonna be taking the purple a bit and just bring it in, so just in case that part was cut out, I'm just letting you guys know I did a little bit of purple. Now I'm going into my NYX glitter glue and I'm putting that halfway on the lid so that I could actually get the product in. And then I'm going into this beautiful color. I mean, the whole reason I bought this palette was for this. But oh my gosh, like, can you blame me? Like, honestly, can you blame me? It is so pretty. I'm gonna be packing that onto the lid, and while doing that, honestly, those stars has been giving me a warm time. I mean, I could have probably used like the eyelash glue to get them down, but I didn't. Oh my god, I freaked out here. Like, oh my god, guys.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm sorry, I can be so dramatic. Y'all know I use my Wet n Wild eyeliner. So far, I love it. I mean, later on, I will experiment with other products maybe, but I like to stick to the stuff that works and I feel comfortable with. And if you have a product that works for you, that you feel comfortable with, by all means, stick to that product. Anyways, doing this eyeliner, I kind of messed up. I normally do my wing a bit flared out. If you realize, I kind of did something different. I watched too much TikTok, I swear. So I kind of did something I saw everyone doing, and I guess it didn't really work for my eye shape. If you look closely, you see like the different, like one kind of flares out and the other one goes up to my brow. This one that I'm working on is the one that messed up, and I was trying to fix it. I think I did. So this star has been stressing me out. I mean, like, look at that eye twitch. Like, seriously. So I went in and I literally tried to fix it. Also, I was told that you guys prefer to hear me talk instead of me doing a voiceover. So since you guys want to hear me chat, I will get back to doing that. I apologize. And this is the time my background is super noisy. And I just figured, you know what? It would be easier to do it this way. But don't worry, I will definitely figure it out when it comes on to the noise. Thanks for the feedback. So first I went in with a lighter blue and then I smoked it out with a deeper blue. I am going in with my By Skinne primer to prime my face. And then I'm going to be going in with foundation. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation and also the L'Oreal True Matte. Using my Lasting Fix by Maybelline as well. Grabbing my sponge, spraying that on. I'm going to spray my face too. I mean, I like to try new stuff, so hey, don't be surprised. And apparently spraying it onto your face supposed to let your foundation stay on longer, so you could try that if you want. I've been doing that a bit lately, so it's like an every now and then thing. And I'm using quite a bit of concealer here. I mean, I really wanted that under eye to be bright, baby. So yeah, I used a bit more concealer than I normally would. I also felt like doing some contour because hey, I got the P.Louise contour kit. So I'm using right now the number 8 and I'm just using that for contour. This is their contour brush that I'm going to be using. This is 622 or 623, one of the two. And I really don't like it for putting on my setting powder because I don't feel like I have enough control with it. It's too big, it's too loose. I don't feel like I have enough control for that, so I'm not really that crazy about that brush. But I'm adding some powder, and you guys already know I use my L'Oreal True Matte, and this is my favorite brush by Urban Studio, and that's I think 161. I'm forgetting these things. Okay, so I am going into my Warrior 2 palette, and I am going into that powder, that middle color. Totally forgot the name. I always forgot the name. And I am contouring my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit under my jawline, right at my jawline. Yeah, I'm trying to get like a chiseled jawline. I think I had that at one point, but now I got double chin and all of that stuff. So hey, I still like my double chin though. It's cute. So I'm just using my setting powder to like carve out that contour. I don't know, like I think this palette got me going crazy today, honestly, because I never do this. But hey, this palette inspired a moment, so like whatever. Also, I will link a code where you guys can get this palette for 30% off. Yes, 30% off if you want it. The link will be in the description below. But anyways, you can grab that for 30% off, and I guess anything else you want, grab that 30% off. Have fun. You're welcome. For my lips, I'm using the color Natural. I'm gonna be using 3 lip liners, so I'm using the color Natural, that's the darker brown. The second color will be Natural Beige, Natural Nude Beige. These are all by Italia. And the third one will be Nude. So I'm using 3 different color pencils to achieve like just a gradient ombre nude lips. That's a mouthful, I know, but that was just what I was going for, and the colors match so beautifully. I went in with a bit of lip gloss from LA Color, not having it, so I'm going back into that color that I used for the eyeshadow, and I'm doing a bit of highlight. I'm not sure I really liked it for a highlight. I mean, it did give a really nice sparkle, but I don't know. And this is the final look. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys love it as much as I did. Those stars were everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, hey, you are awesome. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, girl. I don't want you to miss anything. Anyways, it is the end of the videos, and as always, I'm gonna miss you guys so much. I can't wait to see you guys again.